Hey everyone, welcome back to another daily plan with me where we're going to figure shit out. Let's see where I start. I needed to write in the days on my Lady Time tracker because I didn't want to count the boxes every month because that seemed like a tremendous waste of time. So I'm just writing in the numbers super duper small because one box is equal to one day, and I had just the right amount of boxes to do pretty much like 31. So, you know, girl stuff. Marking off the habits, getting those done. I think I'm going to keep my cat box, sweeping, making the beds. Those are all definites. Sunscreen for next month, absolutely. I do want to be more specific about creative work because I kind of consider this creative work, but I've gotten so busy that I haven't done my journaling. So I might put journaling in there instead so that I focus on doing that a little bit more. And maybe the no sugar. We'll see. That seems drastic, but I don't know. I love sugar and I have such a terrible history in my family with the diabetes. So I drew in this weekend's weather with a purple pen and then decided to color it because the other stickers were purple, and that's like super purple, dark purple. I didn't mean it to be so dark. So I grabbed the Tombow version of that pen. I do want to run to Target and get, they are called mild liners, and they're kind of like highlighters, but they're more mild, like colors. They're not fluorescent. And they've got a lot of colors, and I think I would get a lot of use out of those. I'm putting some stickers, clean, laundry, and mealtime prep because this morning we all cleaned. That's why I'm putting family clean, like we're the Swiss Family Robinson or something. We just made the kids clean, basically, clean up their piles of shit in their room. So that's why it was a family affair. And then, they fought over who got to dust what, who got to vacuum what. Basically anything you could fight over, they did. So, that was a gigantic headache. But it's clean now, so that's good. And I'm writing in filming and some meal prep tonight. During the whole thing, Henry did tell me that he was moving away. And I said, well, where are you going, bud? He said,
I don't know, maybe just to the driveway.
okay, sounds good. I'll see you out there then. Have fun. So he packed a bag. He went and he sat in the driveway and he read a book about dinosaurs, with a folding chair in the shade of a tree. I think his concept of running away I appreciate. I really do like it. And he wasn't even mad. He was just like,
I'm gonna run away now. I'll just be in the driveway if you need me. Okay.
I think you don't quite understand what running away is, but that's good. I am adding in that I want to work out today, because that's kind of a miracle for me. And then going on to the daily grind, kind of rewriting our cleaning, and then a lot of filming to do today of the plan with me's, and then I have to set up this coming week, which is always my favorite because I get to pick washi tape. So plan with me's and weekly setup, and then I do want to art journal today if I have some time. How would you guys like to see that? Would you like to see it as I do it, or I try and take out, a lot of the superfluous me just staring at the paper figuring out what I want to do. But, I don't know if it's boring to watch. So you tell me. And maybe you could say,
It's totally boring, Emily, the whole thing. Just don't show us.
and that's okay. Here's a sticker. Addie's party was flippin' amazing. Lots of 6 and 7-year-olds going crazy, screaming. It was amazing. And I hope that you had a great weekend too. Join me for my weekly setup for next week. Thanks. Bye.